Only 40 years old, born on 12 December 1980, an actor, host, model, appeared in Hindi television and films. Siddharth Shukla, the television actor, is no more. According to Cooper Hospital in Mumbai, he died of a heart attack, died in sleep. Our colleague is also telling us that from his hospital sources that it's likely that he had a medicine, went to sleep and was brought dead to the hospital. He was the first Asian, remember, to have won world's best model title that was held in Turkey in 2005. He was the runner-up at the very popular Glad Rags Manhunt contest in 2004. He started his showbiz stint first. Before that, he was a model. Then he appeared in many advertisements. He did his acting debut in 2008. There was shows like Balika Vadhu, Babul Ka Angan, and had many shows in the Hindi television industry. But Balika Vadhu basically then catapulted him to a star status within the television industry. But then he started to even first participate, for example, in Bigg Boss 13, where he won. But he also started to host Savdhan India, India's Got Talent. These are popular television shows, reality TV shows that include audience, that include interactions at a very large scale. He was hosting all of these. He in fact also won the Indian reality show Khatron Ke Khiladi, which is a fear factor. And only when you're healthy, a fitness freak, can you basically be participating in these shows. And that is one of the reasons that it has shocked so many people. Only 40 years old. A model, an actor, a fitness enthusiast, gone at 40 due to a heart attack. And that is the reason so many people are shocked with the younger generation, such young men with possibly a bright future dying of heart attack. Remember, as the first Asian, only Indian to have won world's model titles, a searched celebrity on Google in 2019. And with regard to all of this, with the showbiz names that he had acquired, all of that gone within seconds. And what we are being told was in the morning when he was taken and rushed to the hospital administration declared him brought dead. I'm also now being told about his family origins. From Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh. According to the hospital, we are being told that he is survived by his mother and two sisters. He had studied in the St. Xavier's High School, Fort. He completed his degree in interior design at the Rachana Sansad School of Interior Design. So just take a look at the manner in which he had not only earned his name in the showbiz, but was multitasking. He had his degree in interior design. He then became a model, then went into television. He also, in fact, made a Bollywood debut in one of the films, which was produced by Karan Johar. So he was definitely talk of the town. He was being discussed in the film industry as well. And who knows, could have been the next big film star. But who you see on your screens right now, a popular name, Siddharth Shukla, is no more. So, of course, with the popular television show that had come about, there were all sorts of, because he was a good-looking man, a fitness enthusiast, there was a huge female fan following as well. There were all sorts of controversies around him, romantic relationships, but despite all of that, despite being, of course, discussed with that female fan following, whether there were any romantic relationships at Bigg Boss, all of that only signified that he was being spoken about and that he was being discussed. He was being perhaps touted as you can see, some of the films that he was part of. I'm being told there was also Karan Johar produced Humpty Sharma Ki Dulhania, where he had a supporting role that happened in 2014. And you can see one of the visuals there on your screen of that. So that was his Bollywood debut, and who knows, he could have been the next superstar, because we're now being told by some of the people who had known him that he was aiming to become the next Shah Rukh Khan. Someone who had started from television, did not exactly have a godfather, but made a name for himself. Siddharth Shukla wanted to go on similar lines, and he was almost there. He had definitely become a star on TV. He was now going to get into films as well. What exactly happened? How can a young, fit, 40-year-old man suddenly die of heart attack in his sleep? We are trying to get you more reactions, as you can see on our screens as well. The reactions that are coming in, tributes, shock, people saying that they cannot process this news. They are devastated. All of this signifying that perhaps the most unexpected news that they had got today. today morning. A similar reaction, remember, had come even with Sushant Singh Rajput, another young man, another young life cut short, and a similar shocking reactions that had come in. People who are being seen perhaps as the next big stars in television and film industry gone so soon and with such shocking developments. Amit Tyagi, my colleague, is joining me. Amit, because you cover the entertainment industry closely, you are aware of many of these actors and their lifestyle as well. He was known to be a fit person, a fit guy, if I'm correct. Any details that you're picking up? What exactly has the hospital sources told you about this shocking death?
According to I'm right here at the Cooper Hospital.
Yes.
So right now the arrangements have been made for the post-mortem. So the police has come right now because he's a big celebrity. A lot of people have come here at the Cooper Hospital, and investigation are on for the cause of the death. It seems like as for we have been told by the sources that he died in the morning, and in the morning his body was brought. He passed away in the night apparently. The timing of the death has to be ascertained. 12:30 is the post-mortem time. His family is also here, and when he was brought in, he was already lost
Who
his
is
life.
among his family members who are there? Amit, if I may ask you, who is currently there at the hospital? Because I'm told that he's survived by his mother and two sisters. Who can you currently see there, and have they got inside the hospital now?
So there were some few members, but I cannot certify that they were the family members. But it seems like there was one lady and the husband. It seems like it was the sister and the brother-in-law who had gone inside. I'm trying to find out the mother of Siddharth Shukla, who's been very close with mother. He used to stay with his mother here. Where is she? I'm trying to connect with her as well. But right now it seems like that the closest family member, sister and the brother-in-law, seems to be inside the hospital, because right now at 12:30 the post-mortem will start. So anytime people are expected, a lot of friends from the industry are expected to come here at the Cooper Hospital where I am right now. There's a lot of...
Amit, I request you to stay on. I request you to stay